guys, welcome back to the Daily Dropout. I'm Lauren. Today I'm going to be asking guys, did we hook up? Do you remember me? We hooked up a couple weeks ago. You don't remember? Yeah.
When?
Like a couple weeks ago?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was you.
I don't think I did.
Come on, dude. It was definitely you.
I mean, like, not in this month.
I mean, it was a couple weeks ago. That's all I remember.
Well, I'm sorry. I don't remember, but do you remember my name?
Oh, we were both pretty drunk.
Okay, so it's both of us in this one.
Yeah.
But I feel really bad because, like, I really don't remember. Which is, I mean, that doesn't mean it didn't happen.
I mean, I don't know. I feel like we were both pretty drunk when it happened, but it was like, I don't know, a couple weeks ago.
Okay, well, hi.
Hi.
Carson.
Laura.
Nice to meet you.
Again. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to say that night was really fun and we should do it again sometime.
Yeah, sure. What's your Snapchat?
I actually don't have Snapchat.
Oh, do you have any social media?
I use Instagram.
That works.
Hey, do you remember me? We hooked up a couple weeks ago.
Bro, you haven't f***ed anyone in like a year, so no.
Are you sure that wasn't you?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Austin?
No.
Oh, wrong guy. Sorry. We hooked up a couple weeks ago.
For real?
Yeah.
You f***ing.
No, I swear to God.
What's my name?
I don't remember. I was really drunk. You don't remember?
Where was it at?
Either like a house or an apartment.
I don't really party that much.
Are you sure you don't remember? I swear to God it was you.
I'm not the first person who have been confused with someone else, like here, but it was definitely not me.
Are you f***ing with me? I'm pretty sure it
Quite the
was you.
opposite, actually. No. No.
Wasn't you?
I don't think so.
Oh my God. Do you remember me? We hooked up a couple weeks ago.
What?
Wait, you don't remember? A couple weeks ago we hooked up?
No.
Didn't we hook up?
No.
That was you. Yeah, it was.
No. What?
Yeah. You don't remember? How drunk were you?
I was never drunk. What?
Yeah. A couple weeks ago, remember? We went to we were at some party and then we ended up hooking up.
No, I didn't went to a party.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sam? That's not you? Oh shit. Oh, this is awkward. Well, I swear you look exactly like the dude.
Okay.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I've been looking for you. I wanted to let you know that I'm pregnant. It's yours from a couple weeks ago when we hooked up.
It's like a sorority thing.
What do you mean?
I've never met you, I don't think.
That night when we hooked up? You don't remember?
No,
Oh. Wait, John?
no.
Oh shit. This is awkward.
Yeah,
I swear you look exactly like him.
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm pregnant.
Well, I hope you find John.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Good luck.
Have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram.